Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint Jerome is a charming city, located along the Rivière du Nord in Quebec. Known as the capital of the Laurentians, it serves as a gateway to the breathtaking Laurentian Mountains, only about 40 kilometers northwest of Montreal. This town is rich in history and natural beauty, offering a perfect blend of culture, adventure, and relaxation. Saint Jerome's history dates back to its establishment as a parish in 1834, followed by its incorporation as a town in 1881. The city is named after Saint Jerome, a renowned Christian scholar. A pivotal figure in the city's development was Father Antoine Lebel, a passionate advocate for settlement and infrastructure in the region. His efforts to promote colonization and build railways played a crucial role in shaping Saint Jerome and the surrounding Laurentian communities. Today, the railway line he helped establish has been transformed into the famous Petit Train du Nord Trail, a 200-kilometer path beloved by cyclists, walkers, and cross-country skiers. The Cathedral of Saint Jerome is one of the city's highlights, standing as a testament to its rich religious and architectural heritage. The city is also home to the Musée d'Art Contemporain de Laurentide, which offers an impressive collection of contemporary art. Visitors can explore the historic downtown area, which features charming boutiques, cafes, and cultural landmarks, giving the city a vibrant yet cozy feel. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love in Saint Jerome. The area is surrounded by beautiful parks and trails, such as Parc Regional de la Rivière du Nord and Parc Lebel, where visitors can enjoy activities like hiking, cycling, and kayaking. In the winter, the region transforms into a snowy wonderland perfect for snowshoeing and skiing. The city's proximity to the Laurentians ensures year-round adventures and stunning landscapes. Saint Jerome seamlessly blends its historical roots with its reputation as a hub for outdoor activities and culture. Whether you're visiting for its trails, art, or peaceful atmosphere, this city offers something unique for everyone.
Thanks for watching!